Okay, so today we're talking about finding the fraction of a group. So that's half of a class, or 2/3 of a football team, or 5/6 of a number of cars in a car park. It's pretty easy. Everything in maths is pretty easy. You just got to follow a couple of steps. Fractions of a group, 2 steps. You got to multiply, then you got to divide, and then you end up with SJYD. I'll talk about that in a minute. So fractions of a group, so we talk about maybe 2/3 of 30 kids in a class, let's say. Alright, so 2/3 of 30 kids. So here's my fraction, here's my group. I need to find a fraction of a group. So to do that, I multiply. I multiply the fraction by the group. 2/3 times 30. When I'm multiplying that fraction by the group, I start with my numerator times the total. So 2 times 30 is 60. Okay, numerator times total. And then this denominator stays the same down here. Alright? So 2/3 times 30, I've then got 60 over 3. I then need to divide. I go 60 divided by 3. 60, how many 3's? Equals 20. And that is my final answer. 2/3 of 30 kids is 20 kids. Don't forget we're talking kids here, okay, of that group. That is sweet justice, you're done, okay? That's as simple as it is. You multiply, you divide, and then sweet justice, you're done. So let's have a look at another one. Let's look at 1/5 of 45, I don't know, rabbits. Okay? So, multiply. I go 1/5 times 45. That is 1 times 45. And then my denominator stays the same down here. Right? So I've multiplied. Now I divide 45 divided by 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. And that's my answer. So 1/5 of 45 rabbits equals 9 rabbits. Sweet justice. Okay, so you might see it like, you might see the sums like that, or you might see them like that, or you might see them like this, okay? So you're presented with a problem, a written problem, and you have to figure out what the answer is. You need to draw out the information from that problem. So we look at it and we say Kimberly had 80 iPads, fell off the back of a truck, and she was just lucky enough to score. She had 80 iPads and gave away 3/8 of them because she's a very kind lady. And so we need to know how many iPads did she give away. We just want to know, we just want to thank her for giving away those iPads. So let's look at it. We need to find out 3/8, because that's how many iPads, or that's how much she gave away, 3/8 of them. 3/8 of 80. That is 3/8 times 80. First we multiply. 3 times 8, 80 is 240, just off the top of my head. And this 8, the denominator stays the same there. We then divide. 240 divided by 8. If I had to sort of figure that out, I'd be thinking that it would be, let's say, what is it, 240, that's 30 iPads. So 3/8 of them, she's given away 3/8 of 80 iPads. She's actually given away 30 iPads. Alright? So remember, you multiply that top number by the total. That goes over that total goes over the denominator, and then you divide. You're basically changing that improper fraction into a whole number there. So 240 divided by 8 is 30 iPads. And at the end, you do a little bit of this. That's obviously time to pack it up, go home. Take it easy.